Hi everyone, this is Kibo Vlog, sa Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. At gagawa na ito reaction ang video. Ang Barda compilation, di mo kaya, nakawalo ako for today's video kasi nga kahapon wala ako, right? So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano to? Ay, atake. Atake. Edited? Baka naman edited dyan, ma'am. Huwag kayo mag-ano. Edited. Edited siya. Kay Barbie lang yan. Tsari. Wait lang, asa na ba ako? Kay David lang yan pala. Chares, kay David lang yan pala for today's video.
Good day everyone from the higher school ng UMAC University of Makati. This is David.
Ito parang isang ano lang naman sila. Ma'am,
But I'm very grateful
parang isang lugar lang sila dyan.
For Maria Clara Ibarra. This project is very special to me because it showed the importance of our history, our culture, and of course, this really changed my life.
Ay.
Lahat ng meron ako ngayon, I owe it to Maria Clara Ibarra.
Lahat ng meron
So,
ako
I'd
ngayon.
like to
Oy,
share this
grabe
with
si David, no? Yung tipong thankful talaga siya. Not just for me ang impact doon, not just for Maria Clara at Ibarra, but of course kay Barbie Fortesa. Kasi doon talaga nag-boom. And huwag natin sabihin dahil sumikat si David dahil kay Barbie lang. No, it's a give and take situation. Hindi sumikat si Barbie kung wala kay David. Hindi sumisikat si David kung wala kay Barbie because Barda sila eh. Di ba? Aminin man natin, we cannot deny the fact, kilala din naman talaga si Barbie Fortesa. Before pa, kilala din naman si David Licauco before pa ang Barda, pero hindi magkasing tunog or lakas ng ingay ang mga pangalan nila kung hindi sila nagtambalang dalawa. So it's a matter of give and take talaga. Okay?
Culture, and of course, this really changed my life.
It's really changed my life.
Lahat ng,
Grabe siya, no? Grateful talaga siya.
So I'd like to share this recognition with
Sa
the
totoo
whole
lang,
team,
grateful
the directors,
talaga
the
siya.
production staff, sa Sparkle, sa
Sa
Boom
Sparkle.
GMA,
Ito pala
and
yung
of
full
course,
ano
Barbie
niya.
Fortesa.
Barbie Fortesa.
Kumbaga, total team effort talaga itong Maria Clara.
True.
Kaya natin ito nagawa. And to our
True.
students, I hope na you continue to dream big and do something extraordinary, gaya ng Maria Clara, para to inspire and hopefully makatulong sa maraming tao.
True.
Again, thank you so much University of Makati, and I hope to see you guys
Yumak pala? Okay. Ay, bakit naman ganun yung kanta, ma'am? Charis!
Good day everyone from the higher school ng UMAC University of Makati. This is David Licauco. I'm really sorry na I can't be there.
Sayang
But I'm very
naman.
grateful and honored to accept this award for Maria Clara Ibarra. This project is very special to me because it showed the importance of our history, our culture, and
Yes.
of course, this really changed my life.
It's really changed my life.
Lahat ng meron ako ngayon, I owe it to Maria Clara Ibarra.
Ang lalim naman ng ano niya.
So, I'd
Ang
like
lalim
to
naman yan.
share
Ayan
this
o, yung
recognition
na-emphasize
with the
niya
whole
talaga
team,
dyan si
the
Barbie.
directors, the production staff,
In-emphasize niya talaga si Barbie dyan
Sparkle,
niya.
sa Boom GMA, and of course, sa Barbie Fortesa. Malaking...
And of course, may of course pa talaga. Di ba? You know what I mean? Yung emphasis
To the
niya.
students, I hope na you continue to dream big and do something extraordinary, gaya ng Maria Clara. Para to
Gaya ng Maria
inspire
Clara.
And hopefully, makatulong sa maraming tao.
Yes.
Again, thank you so much University of Makati, and I hope to see you guys soon.
Gwapo ni David. Ang bango niya, yung Into the Haze. Ang bago niya, ang bango niya. Busy kasi. Busy ang ginoo natin, mga taga-Yumak. Pero thank you so much, Yumak.
It's very special to me because it showed the importance of our history, culture, and of course, this really changed my life.
Grabe.
Lahat ng meron ako ngayon, I owe it to
Lahat ng meron ako. Grabe, no? Ang lalim niya magsalita.
Share this recognition with the whole team, the directors, the production staff, the Sparkles, our Bone Jelly, and of course, our Forteza. Natin, kumbaga, total
Kumbaga.
And those students, I hope na continue to dream big and do something extraordinary. Gaya ng mga para to inspire and hopefully
Ay, si David, ano to? Ay, hindi. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my God, ang gwapo niya. Ah, ito yon. Ito yung kahapon. Kahapon ba to? Pa 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 pa. Whatever you do. Subscribe naman kayo sa isa naming channel, please. Go, David. Ay, same actor. Uy, in fairness, ang dami ng ginagawang edits ko, Ginoo. Tapos yung fierce na itsura ni Ginoo. Pak! I mean, ganun ba talaga dapat niya? Fierce kung fierce.
Direction I see. As long as we keep this
Ano si Teacher Pink? Gwapo niyo. My God! My God! Jeez, yung mga ganyang klaseng suutan ng mga lalaki, yan talaga yung mga gusto ko, mga suutan ng ganyan. Totoo lang. Iba talaga yung mga ganyang suutan, ma'am. Wala na. Saan dalahin? Diba? Kapag when people make fun of your behavior. I miss D. Who's D? David, ikaw ko. Akala ko ibang D ang mismo. Charis. Baka naman ibang D ang mismo, ma'am. Ako, ibang D ang na-miss ko. Chareng.
Place to hide.
Hello. Charis, anong gwapo ni Ginoo. Anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Kimo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.